guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, guys, I'm so excited for today's video because today, hold on. Oh, hold on. Oh, here we go. We have a Disney shopping haul video. As you can see, I was very busy at Disney. Okay. I don't know where to start on all of this. This is also really loud. We are gonna go through all of that in due time. I think Kitty Cat's gonna help. Let me give a quick synopsis. I went to Disney World. I had the time of my life. Kitty, please. At Disney World, I did a lot of shopping, clearly, as well as I spent most of my time there on the biggest Disney search for their 100-year anniversary merchandise. Now, if you guys remember, I did a video where I showed their 50 years of Magic Kingdom merchandise. Check out that video if you missed it. But this time, it's 100 years of Disney magic as a whole. Walt Disney himself, when he started in 1923. Evidently. Now, I was a bit early for the 100 years. They didn't have any of the celebrations yet, but there were few selections as far as things that you could purchase. I don't know what it is about me filming. The second I turn the camera on, she's ready to play with all these toys that she never plays with during the regular parts of the day. You literally never play with this toy, ever, except when I start filming. First you're playing with the bags, now you're playing with the other loud toy in the room. You're just so excited for Disney. Oh my god. All right, back to the main video. Okay, without any further delay or distractions, let's get started. Okay, to start us off, a scented candle. And I know what you're thinking. How in the world are we supposed to appreciate a scented candle when you obviously can't smell anything unless you want to try it here? Try smelling. Do you recognize that smell? This, my dear friends, the Flight of Passage Avatar ride in the Pandora section of Animal Kingdom. While you're on that incredible, incredible ride, there's a certain smell in the air. It is like the best smell on the face of this planet or that planet, however you want to think of it. I don't know how to describe this smell, but every time I've gone on that ride, I'm just like, oh my god, I could just stay in that room and smell that scent. Lo and behold, they put it in a scented candle. Disney merch. Doing great. Next, if you guys remember from my 50-year anniversary Disney merch haul thingy, I got one of the jersey style long sleeve sweatshirts. I love those shirts. They're so comfy. I did take a look at the 100-year one and I didn't like it. There's no way that's gonna be the only one for the 100 years. So I'm gonna wait it out and see what else they come up with. They did have this. Oh my gosh, I thought this was so cute. It's kind of like a plushy microfiber towel feel. It is very soft. I love the color. I think the color is so cute. This is the back where it says Disney World. And then on the side of the arms, it's a bunch of embroidered flowers. The embroidery is what did it. So now I have a new comfy cozy Disney jersey sweatshirt thing. Yeah. Next up, so my brother-in-law's birthday's coming up. I'm probably gonna upload this after his birthday anyway, so happy birthday, Steven. He's always complaining that I don't get him Star Wars stuff at Disney, so guess what? I got him a Star Wars stuff at Disney. It is a Darth Vader mask, and it's not like a full-on mask, but it is a voice changer. So when you put the mask on, it makes like this. That was a very Sean Connery Darth Vader. Oh, I just saw this for the first time. I did not realize there was a try me button. Let's see.
Your destiny lies with me, Skywalker.
See, I should have left it to this guy.
You underestimate the power of the dark side. I sense something. A presence I have not felt since...
Since when? ... That is so cool. I didn't even realize that it had that. And then a strap to hold it on so that when you wear it, you can speak and sound like Darth Vader. How cool Best birthday present ever, I think. You're welcome, brother-in-law. Happy birthday. Next up, and I think this is the last bag before we can get into the 100-year stuff. I got some plushies. I got some stuffy stuffed animals. Man, I forgot about this. I got this from Disney World before we get into the Mickey Mouses. Let's see. It's a kitty cat. A kitty cat that won't stop playing in the bags and making noise in the background. They're very special because this one is a special giveaway to Miss Emma. I got Emma a Mickey Mouse. Look at how cute those ears are. I love the colors. It's very like 70s, and I'm sure Emma will like it too because, I mean, it's from Disney World. It has a little flag that says 2023. This tag just shows that it's part of the 2023 collection, and I hope Miss Emma loves it. Yeah. Okay, next up, this one's a bit fancy schmancy. So they had Mickey Mouse ears that looked like this. They had like the fireworks in the Cinderella castle, and I was dying. I wanted them so badly, but I told myself, Elaina, you have a lot of Mickey Mouse ears. Do you really need another pair? Now, what's special about this, other than the fact that he's adorable, he has fireworks all over his outfit, has the Cinderella castle, he looks so happy. This is part of the 50-year anniversary merch. It's Cinderella Castle 12 of 12 series. Now, I should have done research on what all this means, but that's okay. On the inside of the card says, sparks fly at the Cinderella Castle. Walt Disney World Resort premiered its first firework display in 1971, and ever since, a spectacular show has been offered nearly every night at all Disney parks around the globe. And this is the Mickey Mouse that memorializes that. So now this has brought us to the finale. 100 years merchandise. This is an ornament set. We have the classic Roaring 20s. Daisy, you got Donald, you got Goofy, you got Mickey and Minnie. I was so excited when I saw this. Yeah. Next, we have a bag from Pandora. No, I'm just kidding. Inside the bag. This is loud. Hold on. This stunning 100-year Disney snow globe. And it says 100 years. And along the base, it has Disney characters. I love the Donald, Daisy, and the Chipmunks. At the center is the Cinderella Castle, iconic, of course. Has such a good amount of snow. Whoever came up with the idea of snow globes, that's $1 billion idea. There's nothing more satisfying. Hi! We got both kitty cats today. We got two very disruptive kitty cats. What's more satisfying than a snow globe? And now I think we'll do another present. I am going to feature my mom's Mother's Day present for this year. Vera Bradley released 100-year of Disney blankets. They have purses, they have wallets, they have backpacks, they have duffel bags, all in this design. Honestly, I have not unwrapped this blanket, and I think I'm going to do so now. It's all the classic cartoons. Alice in Wonderland, it's Peter Pan, Bambi, Snow White. Oh my gosh, I didn't see the Snow White. Oh, there's the Lost Boys over here, and it's so pretty. There's Winnie the Pooh. You guys have no idea how much I love Winnie the Pooh. The little Eeyore. This is the softest blanket ever. For my mom, it was too perfect. Like I said, she loves Vera Bradley. It's the best of both worlds. It's Vera Bradley and it's 100 years of Disney. I just hope she likes it. Last thing also contains a gift. I know my sister was super bummed that she couldn't join me at Disney this time, but I did bring a little bit of Disney back. I got me and my sister matching 100 years of Disney Mickey Mouse ears. I think these are absolutely stunning. This is just like the first taste of 100 years of Disney merchandise. Very Roaring 20s. I love the purple. The bow is in the Art Nouveau style, and it's just the beginning. So I have no idea how crazy that this stuff is gonna get. I'm sure they're gonna come out with some amazing stuff. But so far, I'm loving the the 100-year stuff. I can't believe it. I'm so excited for the 100 years of Disney movies that are coming out. Little Mermaid, we're so close to seeing Little Mermaid. I cannot wait. I think they're doing a live action Aristocats. That needs to happen. I love all these reimagined classics. I'm a big fan of Disney. This past time at the fireworks display, they had this amazing song and it made me cry. The song was You Are the Magic. Basically, go after your happily ever after, whatever it may be. I love that empowering message. It's about you owning your power. That's where the magic comes from. You are the magic. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed shopping and sharing with you guys. I hope you are as excited as I am about these 100-year merch drops. So far, what I got is like the things that I was like, I have to get these because they're incredible. I plan and would love to go to Disney during the 100-year celebrations. If you liked this kind of a thing, this video, hit the thumbs up. Comment below what your favorite Disney character of all time is. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys next time. You are the magic. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay bright. Bye.